Whether you are an engineer, a designer, or a maker, CAD is an essential tool for building hardware. To get big, we must start small. We will master the basic first and scale up to complex design one step at a time. So let's start. We will make a box in this video. So let's start with creating a base. For making a box, we have to make a sketch of the base. So let's create a rectangular base so we can make a cuboidal box. So firstly, we have to select a center rectangle so that the center of the rectangle is lie on origin. So let's start from origin. So put the rectangle anywhere, and now we will dimension the rectangle here by clicking on D on keyboard, and we can also select D dimensioning from here. So give this line a dimension of, let's say, 50 or 60, quite good. Uh, let's say it's 120 mm. So finish sketch. Our base is ready. So finish sketch. Uh, we will use our screw tool from Fusion 360 so that our 2D base is converted into a 3D cuboid. So let's select E for screw, select the base and screw direction. We will define the direction here and the distance for screw, let's say 30 mm. Here the distance is 30 mm. We don't need taper hanging. And so click OK. We have created a cuboid of 30 mm height and breadth we have selected 60 mm and length we have selected 120. So for making box, we need a hollow space in center. So we have to select top surface of the cuboid and let's create a sketch on this top surface. Click also on a rectangle. Let's say center rectangle. Put this rectangle anywhere. Now we will dimensioning it by clicking D on keyboard. So click on this line and this line. So that distance between these two lines will be selected. Let's say the distance will be 2 mm. So the distance is 2 mm automatically created. Let's also select this and this. Sorry, this and this also 2 mm. So our sketch is fixed. Here you can see the blue line which was appearing now converted into black line. So it shows that our sketch is fixed. So let's say finish sketch. We have created a cuboid and a sketch on top surface. From this top surface, we will cut another cuboid so that we have a hollow space and our box is ready. So click on this and select extrude tool by clicking E on keyboard. Create downward extrude. Our box, our cuboid is 30 mm. We have screwed 30 mm, so it reaches the bottom. But we need a bottom space also. So we will select -28 so that bottom will be 2 mm. As our corners also 2 mm. So we will select bottom also 2 mm. So this okay. And here our box is ready. So thank you.